Welcome, welcome, welcome.
How's your reflections or feelings after seeing sort of what you expect the audit report to look like?
Yeah, I think things are progressing really quickly. The team's been working really, really hard. Very proud of our achievements and happy with the auditors and the reports. I think the audit was extremely fruitful. We got a lot of very relevant feedback in parallel to auditors auditing the protocol. We've also been doing internal audits, and we've also ran into some issues that we found. So yeah, really, really, really productive audit process. Now dotting the I's and having the fixed review. So basically what's happening is that our auditors and judges are going over the proposed solutions to some of the issues that were found, and they're reviewing whether those in fact resolve the issues as they were reported. So yeah, that's where we're at.
Very, very good. We've done a lot of looking back, but let's do a little bit of looking forward. We are planning to release a community checklist of sort of the milestones that will be happening across testnet. Do you just want to quickly highlight some of like the big ones or what to expect in the next month post audit?
Yeah, so it's going to be a bunch of deployments and stability testing. So we're going to first deploy to what we call Planet, which is a development environment that's extremely chaotic. So we'll be deploying there. From there, we deploy to DevNet. We will have some testing and stability testing there. And then from DevNet, we go to testnet. And from testnet, we go to mainnet, all in relatively quick succession, pending any critical findings that we find in sort of like the stability testing of this stack on the way there. Yeah, so it's actually now we are just approaching a series of deployments that will lead to the mainnet deployment as the last step. So that is extremely exciting.
Very good. Got some developer videos coming up. Do you want to just give 15 seconds on some of the videos that you're recording and what it means for some developers?
Yeah, so we will be releasing a video series for devs where we will be going over some example data feeds deployed with SEDA. Some of the things we are looking to do are RWA price feeds, crypto price feeds, and potentially some cross-chain data verification. So some IVM related feeds. And I think that's the main ones. The Explorer is getting a little rework. There's a bunch of features that are already being added and rolled out as we speak. And then there is going to be a whole new dashboard design that's going to be released as well, which, I mean, I can't share too much. Like I'm not going to describe it to you over a call. That would be weird, but it looks very cool. Originally, we released an SDK for assembly scripts that allowed developers to write Oracle programs in a JavaScript nascent sort of language. Looks a lot like JavaScript, but we found some pretty large issues with the assembly script to WebAssembly sort of like compilation cycle and the VM that we built. And so, yeah, we just released a Rust SDK that allows devs to build their Oracle programs in Rust instead. You can find this already on our docs page. Everything's updated and now just references our Rust development tools.